Hello and welcome to section 5 AWS Database Services. Here's the first lecture, Database Services Introduction. Here we will talk about introduction, RDS basics, RDS benefits, RDS instance class types. So let us see. AWS DB Services Introduction. AWS provides following types of DB services: RDBMS, that is served through Amazon RDS, NoSQL, that is served through DynamoDB. And there's a third and fourth one as well. They are in-memory caching and data warehouse. But the third and fourth are not in the scope of this course, as this is an introductory course. So what is RDBMS? Whenever you talk about RDBMS, the first thing that comes into your mind or comes into our mind is tables and relationship between tables. A relational database management system is a database management system based on the relational model invented by Edgar Codd. Most popular databases in use today are based on Codd's relational database model. A few examples are MySQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, MariaDB, and PostgreSQL. From Amazon Aurora is a MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible relational database built for the cloud that combines the performance and availability of high-end commercial databases. NoSQL. A NoSQL, or sometimes known as not only SQL, non-SQL, or non-relational databases, provides a mechanism for storage and retrieval of data that is modeled in means other than tabular relations used in relational databases. So in the last slide we have seen RDBMS, and that was all about tables and relationship between the tables. Okay, but this has nothing to do with the table. RDBMS equal to SQL equals to table based. NoSQL equals to database document based, key value pairs, and graph databases. Examples of NoSQL databases: MongoDB is the most popular one, Couchbase, Cassandra, Redis, and RavenDB. And there's an Amazon offering as well for NoSQL, and that is known as DynamoDB. It's highly scalable, fully managed NoSQL database service from AWS. We will discuss this in detail later in this section. So what is Amazon RDS? That is Relational Database Service. RDS provides you with 6 familiar RDBMS database engines: Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, and Amazon Aurora. RDS is cost efficient. RDS makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a RDBMS relational database in the cloud. It offers resizable capacity while automating time-consuming administration tasks such as hardware provisioning, database setup, patching, and backups. Amazon RDS is available for several database instance types, and they are optimized for memory, CPU, I/O. This is similar to EC2 instance, if you remember that we have already discussed. Now let us see what are the benefits of RDS. Lower administrative burden. That is, RDS is easy to use. Capacity provisioning, database setup, patching, and backups are quite easy. Performance. We can use general purpose SSD as well as provisioned IOPS, popularly known as PIOPS, for storage. Scalability. Push button compute scaling. So with a single mouse click, you can scale based on your requirement. Easy storage scaling as well. So you don't need to worry much about the storage space. Benefits of RDS continued. Availability and durability, that is automated backups, database snapshots, multi-availability zone deployments, and read replicas are built in with RDS. That is, it will be taken care of by RDS implicitly. So just a few clicks here and there and it's available for you. Security, encryption at rest and in transit. Network isolation is also there. Manageability, monitoring and metrics, that's available through CloudWatch. Event notification is also available. Cost effectiveness, and this is one of the most important criteria. So here you pay only for what you use. You can stop and start your instance based on your requirement. This might be useful for some scenarios like test and development servers. RDS instance class types. So as we have discussed in EC2 instance, there are class types. Here also we have some classes as far as RDS instance is concerned. So Amazon RDS provides a selection of instance types optimized to fit different relational database use cases. And then we have instance types comprise varying combination of CPU, memory, storage and networking capacity, and give you the flexibility to choose the appropriate mix of resources for your database. Each instance type includes one or more instance sizes, allowing you to scale your resources to requirements of your target workload. So here explicitly there are three types of instance classes. The first one is standard DB instance, then memory optimized DB instance, and finally the third one, burstable performance DB instance class. In standard we have DB M4, M3 and M1. Memory optimized we have X1E, X1, R4, R3 and M2. In burstable we have T2, and this T2 we will be using it for demo purpose because it's free tier eligible. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.